It's no secret the coronavirus outbreak is pulling society into an unfamiliar and unprecedented territory. As the world around us continuously changes each day, it's nice to know that a familiar product like the Amazon Alexa can help guide us through the uncertainty with informational relief resources, safety tips, and productivity and wellness suggestions. During the coronavirus outbreak, important updates from various news outlets are coming at us all the time. The rate can be so fast that it almost becomes impossible to keep up with the virus, not only on a global scale, but also within your local community. Find the information you're looking for with Amazon Alexa's help. Simply ask questions like, "Alexa, give me an update on COVID-19. Or you can stay updated about local store hours and closures. And even make donations to those impacted by COVID-19. Alexa, make a donation to the COVID-19 Response Fund. Alexa will also keep you informed about your kids' coursework during the coronavirus outbreak when you pair specific applications like Blackboard or Canvas with your smart speaker. Find useful safety tips from the Amazon Alexa that can help you protect your family and home. The smart speaker can help you make protective gear. Alexa, how do I make a face mask? It can help monitor your risk level for COVID-19 or provide you with ways to prevent it. Alexa, what do I do if I have COVID-19? It can also give you helpful cleaning tips. Alexa, give me some tips for cleaning, or give you tips on social distancing, and give you suggestions for staying occupied, and even help you with your hand washing. Alexa, sing me a song for 20 seconds.
Okay, here we go.
With the Amazon Alexa by your side, staying at home doesn't have to dampen your productivity and wellness. Stay on top of your overall wellness with Amazon Alexa's stay at home and work from home routine. These unique routines provide you with fun facts at the start of your day, notifies you when it's time to grab lunch, and
Emily, it's time to stretch.
alerts you when it's time to get up and stretch. Alexa also allows you to stay connected with family and friends with just your voice. Alexa, call Grandpa. And you can also have Alexa read you a book or help you meditate. These are just a few of the ways Alexa can help keep you aware or help you find a needed means of distraction during this time. For more COVID-19 resources, browse our blog or check in with the CDC. Give us a call or go online to protectamerica.com/securityyourway.